People spend $60,000 to $70,000 on trucks just to get features like these. But this GMC Sierra already has them. Bold HD grille gives this truck a premium heavy-duty look. Upgraded alloy wheels already installed, saving you thousands on aftermarket upgrades. Short bed design, the perfect balance for both heavy work and everyday driving. Pre-installed tow mirrors, a must-have feature that many buyers usually have to pay extra for. Massive center console, gives you plenty of secure, everyday storage space. Full-size rear seating, tons of legroom, meaning there's plenty of room for the whole crew. Factory bed liner, already installed to protect your truck bed from scratches and dents. Complete gauge cluster, keeps all your critical mechanical information right in front of the driver. The ultimate powerhouse, a massive 6.6L gas engine built specifically for heavy towing and hauling. So why spend thousands more on a brand new truck when this one already has the exact features most buyers are looking for? Send us a message with the word Sierra right now before someone else grabs this deal.